Hi. In this video, I'm going to be talking about foam rolling, its effect on performance, and its effect on injury prevention. Okay, so does foam rolling affect performance, and does foam rolling reduce the risk of injury? Absolutely yes. From a clinical perspective, I find that it's worked with my patients and my students very well in terms of increasing their performance, their range of motion, and decreasing injury. Not only that, also decreasing recovery time. So you're back on the court, you're back on the field, you're back in the class much quicker with much less soreness for a shorter period of time. It's still not quite known how this really works, but what we do know is that foam rolling not only affects the muscle, but maybe even more importantly, affects the myofascia, which is the covering of the muscle, okay? It's the coating of the muscle. It's the thing that gives muscle its tension. It's the thing that allows muscle to move bone and move us through space. So the myofascia, as you could imagine, is incredibly important for both movement, exercise performance, as well as a full range of motion. We need to have resilient and flexible myofascia, and that's what foam rolling provides. What foam rolling actually does is it increases blood flow to certain areas that you're rolling, okay? So that brings blood into that area. That blood flow into that area will eliminate toxins like lactic acid and pyruvic acid much quicker after a workout, and those are the things that actually lend to post-workout soreness. DOMS, delayed onset muscle soreness, as we call it in the profession. Also, it will help to create elasticity and resilience in the myofascia, therefore allowing for a greater range of motion. And unlike stretching, which has been shown to reduce performance if you do it pre-workout, foam rolling will improve performance, hands down, performed pre-workout. Particularly if you're planning on a very busy active time, it's nice to roll before and perhaps after a workout. If I was going to advise one way or another, I would say foam rolling should come before the workout, pre-workout, and the stretching post-workout. Once again, because stretching has been shown to reduce performance, foam rolling has been shown to improve performance. So it only makes sense to want to foam roll before an activity. That said, there are many types of foam rollers. This is your classic foam roller. It's relatively dense and might feel a little hard at first, but as you get used to it, it will start to feel softer, and you might even be craving a more dense foam roller at that point. So I would go with the black one. White ones are softer, and then there are other foam rollers that I really like a lot that have like knobbies on them, and those are good for digging in to the tissue a little bit deeper if you have trigger points. So check out the types of foam rollers out there. If you have any questions on foam rollers, you can always message me on my Facebook page or in my Facebook group, and I would be happy to answer any questions you might have regarding foam rolling. Hope that was helpful. Thank you for listening, and until next time, stay well.